At SoLAcc, we breed heroes. No, not the cape-wearing kind, the everyday kind of heroes. The groundbreaking kind. The ones that build our ships, repair our rigs, and keep our structures sound. The kind of heroes we breed are the ones with a passion for what they do. Our short-term structural fitter program lets you master real-world skills in a fast-paced, hands-on environment where you'll learn how to weld, shape, and grind metal sheets, read blueprints, and use the necessary tools of the industry. Choose your career pathway and decide where you want your career to go with numerous job possibilities. And once you complete your training, you'll have your certifications in NCCER Core and Shapeshifter Levels 1 and 2. Then you can begin your career as a hero right away. Whether you want to work in construction, industrial maintenance, maritime, or oil and gas, SoLAcc will prepare you for life as a ship fitter. We believe the best way to create heroes is to give our students knowledge that empowers them, transparency so they know what to expect, and motivation to drive them to be the best around. And our small class sizes, low tuition rates, and knowledgeable faculty make becoming a hero even easier. So what are you waiting for? Be your own problem solver, groundbreaker, world changer. Be your own hero at SoLAcc. Visit our programs page to learn more about our structural fitter program at SoLAcc.